back onto the Hercules. I'll create a cone to start with. Battery's just running out. I had used it all day yesterday and all day today, so I'm just going to swap it over onto the one that's charged. That's it, fresh battery in. Right, let's have a look. There, we're coming into the pit. There. Might be able to stabilise it with some super glue. There and there. There's the monkey puzzle nuts there. There's a nut there. There's a nut there. Right, I think I'm going to have to try. I hope I don't lose these nuts. Have another look. It might be alright. And we'll try and go into there. That looks quite nice with the nuts there coming through here. And if I can stabilise that a bit with super glue. There we are. Super glue and accelerator. I'll go onto the Viceroy. That needs to be quite sharp, so I think what I'll do is I'll do that with the parting tool. Like a skew. And we'll just have a teardrop in there. I think I'll just finish it off with that little parting tool. So we'll sand that up. Pleased I filled that in. Might have to colour that a little bit just to get it right, but there we go. So we'll sand that up. So I used Chestnut's super glue, which was thin, and I used the actual accelerator. I've had that a long time. That tin. Actually, looking at that, could do with making that a little bit thinner if I can. I'll put a bit more super glue on just to make that a little bit thinner to there. I think it would benefit from it. So it is quite top heavy. I'll use the Badger on a shear scrape. Locked into my side. It's better. It's slimmer. I think that curves nice into there, like, I don't think it's too heavy at that point. Show you from above. Aye, I think you need a bit of meat on it just in case it snaps, like so. Right, so that was 80. There we go. That's it. There now. Probably have to fill that in with a bit of something, not sure what, but we shall see. We'll get it oiled and see what it looks like. So that's more or less it. I will clean myself down, clean the lathe down, and then we'll come back and I'll put it together and I'll finish off the video. I'm going to finish it with an oil finish, the same as I did with the ginger jar.